Hello, I wanted to create this quick video to show you how you can save up some money on cloning the garage keys. So firstly you have to order one of these keys, which is usually less than $10. I will add the link in description. After that, just take the new controller, click A+B, hold it for a few seconds until it starts blinking, and then the same with C/D buttons. Then it means it's successfully resetted and ready to be programmed. Okay, now step 2. Take the current garage key opener and select the button which one you want to clone. So click it, hold it, and then also hold it the same button on your new controller. Then do the same for B, C, D if you want, so for all the buttons. And if this doesn't work, you can also try doing vice versa. So first hold A button for the new controller and then also hold the same for the old one. So you can do both and then you will be sure that you successfully programmed it. And that's it. Now you have a new working garage door key, and I hope it saves you money, time, and you can have as many backup keys as you want. Thanks for watching.